Exporting your entire WhatsApp chat history on Android takes less than a minute, and you can easily save it to your Google Drive or email it to yourself. Let us get right into your main chat list. Open up WhatsApp on your phone and tap on the specific conversation you want to save. Once you are inside the chat window, look at the top right corner of your screen. You will see 3 vertical dots stacked on top of each other. Tap on those 3 dots to open up your options menu. Near the bottom of this menu, tap on the option that says More. That is going to open up a secondary menu, and right near the top of this new list, you will see Export Chat. Go ahead and tap on that. Now, the important thing is that as soon as you tap it, WhatsApp will ask you a crucial question. It will prompt you to choose between without media or include media. If you choose without media, WhatsApp will create a plain text file of your entire text conversation. This keeps the file size extremely small and very fast to transfer. If you pick include media, it will attach all the photos, videos, voice notes, and documents that you sent back and forth. Here's the trade-off you need to consider. In my case, I usually prefer keeping the pictures, but including media will make the export file significantly larger. If your chat has years of photos, it might take a long time to attach everything, and it could be too large to send through standard email services. Another important thing is that this exported file is simply a readable archive or zip folder. That goes both ways. It is great because you can open and read your messages on any computer, tablet, or phone without needing WhatsApp installed at all. However, the catch is that this is not a traditional system backup. You cannot take this exported file and restore it back into WhatsApp later if you switch to a brand new phone. For that, you would still need to use the standard cloud backup feature inside your settings. After you make your choice between including media or leaving it out, a sharing menu will pop up at the bottom of your screen. From here, you can choose exactly where you want to send or save this file. You can scroll down to where it says Gmail to send it as an email attachment, or select Google Drive to save it straight to your cloud storage. Once you tap your preferred destination app, hit Send or Save in the top right corner to finalize the transfer. Now your chat is safely backed up outside the app, and you can access your conversation history whenever you need it. I hope you found this helpful, and I'll see you in the next one.